I think I have seen this trend right now that many of the test engineers reaching 6 or 8 years of experience normally look out for different roles like TPM, PM. Uh, uh, may or may not be. They are also concerned of this question that what are the growth paths in leadership. So that becomes a very important thing to discuss. Uh, Ideally, there was always a requirement for test leaders and managers. Always is, and there will always be. Now what has
Correct.
changed? Now with the advent of agile methodologies, with a kind of a overhaul or the skill enhancement of the SDET role, what has changed is there is now a lesser demand for pure people's manager, and a higher demand for tech savvy, or you can say a technical sort of leaders and managers which can
Hmm.
guide the team through automation fundamentals, automation designs, testing fundamentals, and so on, right? uh, Plus I think even as we talk, there are hundreds of openings for the role of lead, EM, AVP, VP in SDET and quality on LinkedIn and other platforms even today. So I don't think that there is any dearth or scarcity of leadership growth in testing domain. Plus the companies, and right from the startups to MNCs, have to create a ladder in order to sustain the role and in order to sustain themselves. So that's not a problem from what I see. Uh, the only thing that you have to now keep yourself updated and be more sort of a techie guy, right?
Got
And then the second part of your question, which is, yeah, if suppose if you don't want to manage a teams, definitely there are roles in the industry like staff as jet, or principal architect, enterprise architect, and maybe test architect. So this sort of architect roles, as long as you are ready to technically guide the team, share your experience and knowledge of what to do and what not to do, right, to the
Yeah,
team. I think you bring value
that's true.
to the
That's true.
team and the company. So even if your company doesn't has this role, if you talk to your leaders and manager, they'll surely carve out a separate ladder for you if you
That's
bring
true.
enough value
Yeah,
in
very
any
true.
way possible. So yes, it is 100% possible to stay in the IC role and stay relevant.